That's all right. Mm-hmm. Honey, honey, I can see the stars away from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody's asking why I'm smiling now from ear to ear. 'Cause I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after crying through my tears. And finally you put me first. Honey, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that lifts me up. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top.
Parang alam ko na to ah. Hello! Thank you, love.
Baby, baby, I can feel the wind whipping past my face as we dance the night away. Girl, your lips taste like a night of champagne as I kiss you again and again, again and again. Everybody's asking
Ano,
why
diba?
I'm smiling now from ear to ear. 'Cause I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. Finally, you put me first. Honey, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that lifts me up. You're the one I can always go when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top, baby. You're the one that I love. You're the only one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that lifts me up. You're the one I can always go when I need to make everything stop.
Hi, love. Hindi ako makapaniwala na darating na yung araw na to na magiging asawa kita. Dati crush lang kita, ngayon mapapangasawa na kita.
Pagmulat ng mga mata, kay ginhawang malamang sa'kin ka. Nakaulat na sa pahing.
Love. Finally, we made it. Today, as I look to you, I am so overwhelmed with gratitude. Thank you for always choosing me sa lahat ng dumating na problema at mga hindi pagkakaintindihan natin. And thank you, love, for showing me the kind of love that feels like God's blessings.
Mga sulat ay silbing daan sa sagrado mong kabuuhan. Umudyat ay nahiwagaan. Ako na sa'yo ipagkakalo.
Napakaswerte ko na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay. Sobra kong excited. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ako kasaya ngayon. Kung maging Mrs. Pascual ka na. Ikaw ang lagi kong inspirasyon para magsumikap sa buhay. Salamat sa iyo, mahal ko. Binigyan mo ng direksyon ng buhay ko. Thank you sa mga magulang ko. Kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magiging successful ngayon. Yan. Tapos, yun, salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin ng bata ako. Ayan. Basta, alam niyo na yun, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Ang dalisay ko sadya makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda.
Mami, Daddy, thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices niyo sa akin. Tsaka sa lahat ng pag-aalaga. Kahit mag-asawa na ako, nandito pa rin ako para sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo papabayaan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, Ma. Daddy. Thank you.
Sarili ko ay handa isang tabi para lang ipaalam ang lahat sa paraan.
Salamat sa sobrang pagmamahal na hindi matutumbasan. Now, I promise to cherish you sa lahat ng araw habang buhay. Especially sa mga araw na napapagod tayo. Sa mga araw na sinusubok tayo sa pagsasama natin. I promise to listen, to learn with you, and to grow with you.
Siguraduhin sa piling ko'y tiyak ang ligaya. Ikaw lang ang ibigin natin magagawa. Isip na ibalik ang dalisay kong sadya makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda.
Love, remember you are my greatest gift, my answered prayer. I choose you today and I will choose you every day for the rest of my life. I love you so much, more than yesterday, but never as much as tomorrow. I love you.
Nasubukan pa di madadalawang isip na iba.
Araw-araw kitang mamahalin, love. Habang buhay, ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko. Salamat sa Diyos sa pagdating mo sa buhay ko. At salamat din sa Diyos dahil ngayon, ikaw na ang aking habang buhay.
Sa pagtanda.